everyone, I'm Aksa Tepany. Today I will talk to my friend Widia Clarisa. Hello Widia.
Hi Aksa and hi everyone.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you Aksa?
Oh, I'm very fine. And we are going to talk about a supernova, and my friend Widia is someone who understands supernova. Widia, honestly I don't understand what is a supernova. Can you please explain to us what is supernova?
Okay, I will tell you about supernova. A supernova is a celestial phenomenon when a star explodes and shines brightly. The star is dead, but its departure can be white from Earth, although it is rare. In the past 2000 years, humanity has seen only 7 occurs in the sky.
Wow, it's turned out that supernova is a star explosion. That's very cool. And where do supernova take place?
So, supernova are often seen in other galaxies, but supernova are difficult to see in our own Milky Way galaxies because dust blocks are few. In 1604, Johannes Kepler discovered the last observed supernova in the Milky Way. NASA Chandra Telescope discovered the remains of a more recent supernova. It exploded in the Milky Way more than 100 years ago.
Wow. And what causes a supernova?
A supernova happens where there is a change in the color or center of a star. A change can occur in two different ways, with both resulting in a supernova. The first type of supernova happens in binary star systems. Binary systems are two stars that orbit the same point. One of the stars, a carbon-oxygen white dwarf, steals matter from its companion star. Eventually, the white dwarfs accumulated too much matter. Having too much matter causes the stars to explode, resulting in a supernova. And then the second type of supernova occurs at the end of a single star lifetime. As the star runs out of nuclear fuel, some of its mass falls into its core. Eventually, the core is so heavy it cannot withstand its own gravitational force. The core collapses, which results in the giant explosion of a supernova. The Sun is a single star, but it does not have enough mass to become a supernova.
Wow. Why are a supernova in the sky rarely seen from Earth?
That because research says supernovas are not uncommon in the Milky Way, but they can be blocked by cosmic dust that block light signals.
Do supernova have a specific type?
Yes, supernova have two types. Types number 1, supernova have absorption lines that so they do not have hydrogen in them. Supernova are very bright for a short amount of time, then they get less bright very quickly. Type number 1 supernovas happen when a white dwarf star is orbiting a big star. Sometimes the white dwarf stars sucks matter of the big star. When the white dwarf gets to be about 1.5 times the mass of the sun, it collapses. This makes lots of energy and light, which is why supernovas are very bright. Type number 1 have mostly the same brightness. This allows them to be used as a secondary standard candle to measure the distance to their host galaxies. And then type number 2 supernovas have absorption lines that show they do have hydrogen in them. A star must have at least 8 times and no more than 40 until 50 times the mass of the sun to undergo these types of explosions.
Oh, I just found out that there are also type of supernova, and are supernova is essential for life on Earth?
So we have supernovas that would be no life on Earth. This is because many of the chemical elements were made in supernova explosions. These are called heavy elements. Heavy elements are needed to make living things. The supernova is the only way heavy elements can be made. Other elements were made by fusion in stars. Heavy elements need very high temperature and pressure to form. In a major supernova explosion, the temperature and pressure are so high that heavy elements can be made. Scientists call this supernova nucleosynthesis. It could be dangerous if a supernova explosion happens very close to the Earth. The explosion is very big and many kinds of dangerous radiation are formed. But we do not have to be afraid. Only very bright stars can explode as supernovas. Supernovas. There are no stars big enough near the Earth, and if there was, it would take millions of years for it to happen.
Wow, how cool is the explain from our success about what a supernova is and the benefits of a supernova for our life, and explanation also help us all to understand about a supernova. And it doesn't feel like it's been 10 minutes we are talking about the supernova. And thanks Mr. Widia Clarisa for explaining to us about the supernova.
Okay, thank you to Aksa and everyone.
And thanks to all of you who have wanted to hear until the end. See you again, and thank you. Bye bye. Thank you everyone.